spiritual weapons are in words, but they are launched in different ways. You discover that you weaponize, you weaponize, you weaponize your prayer with words. So these words become projectiles. Holy Ghost projectiles. Your words can become spiritual dynamite. It is the contents. It's like when you have formed a missile. The body of the missile is not what matters. It's what that thing is carrying. What is inside. When it is launched, manga broskebraha. When it is launched, it may look nice. It may look like a beautiful drone. But if something is inside it, brother, it can be very destructive.